Hello everyone, good morning. So with this live, the sun came rising. It's 5th of June 2020 and the day today is of lunar eclipse. चंद्र ग्रहण का दिन है आज. चंद्र ग्रहण ये दूसरा चंद्र ग्रहण है इस साल का, which is 5th of June 20, which is governed by number 6. Number 6 is a number of Venus, number of beauty, number of art, number of music, number of movies, number of entertainment. तो ये जो चंद्र ग्रहण 5 जून 2020 का है, ये रात को 11:15 पर भारत में होगा और ये 2:34 तक रहेगा. बेसिकली 3 घंटे 19 मिनट इसकी अवधि रहेगी. इसमें आपको जिन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है, इफ़ यू आर प्रेग्नेंट, अगर आप गर्भवती हैं तो आप उस टाइम ना सोएं. अगर आप कुछ काटने चीरने का काम है वो ना करें. डू नॉट यूज़ नाइफ इन दैट टाइम पीरियड. डू नॉट स्लीप. इफ़ यू डू नॉट वांट टू लाई डाउन एंड डू यू वांट टू रीड अ बुक वाइल सिटिंग. अगर आप बैठकर किताब नहीं पढ़ना चाहती हैं तो आप वॉक कर सकती हैं. रादर सोना किसी को भी नहीं चाहिए. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग जो इस चंद्र ग्रहण में है वो आपको चंद्र ग्रहण के टाइम पर अपने सारे मंदिर, जो घर पे मंदिर है उसके पर्दे को ढक दीजिए. अपने जो ईस्ट की फ़ोटो है, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर्दा लगाया हुआ है, तो ईस्ट की फ़ोटो पर पर्दा लगा दीजिए. चंद्र ग्रहण ख़त्म होने के बाद आप स्नान करिए, मतलब यू टेक अ बाथ एंड आफ्टर दैट पूरे घर में गंगा जल का छींटा दीजिए और अपने खाने और पीने के सामान में पहले तुलसी के पत्ते डाल दीजिए. चंद्र ग्रहण शुरू होने से पहले, 11:15 से पहले. और जब चंद्र ग्रहण खत्म हो जाए तो वो तुलसी के पत्ते बाहर निकाल कर फेंक दीजिए. सो 3 चीज़ें आपको करनी है. चंद्र ग्रहण के टाइम पे सोना नहीं है, 11:15 से लेकर 2:40 तक. उसके बाद आप, अगर इफ़ यू आर प्रेग्नेंट और एनीबडी इन योर होम इज़ प्रेग्नेंट, आस्क दैट लेडी नॉट टू स्लीप. Either she can just read a book or she can take a walk. Third, if there is something food and eatables and your water in your home, put tulsi patra in that, and after Chandragrahan is over, just put that tulsi patra outside your home. And in addition to that, if after Chandragrahan, after lunar eclipse, take a bath, because that will remove the negativity from your life. So with this, 5th of June 20, which is number 6. Number 6 is Venus. Venus is music, art, artistic, poetry. It's basically books. It's basically films and entertainment. So it would be a good day for films and entertainment. So something which is going live today, maybe on the Netflix or somewhere, something that will go good. So now let me take out the cards for today. So the anchor card for today is, which pops out, which number? Okay, so it's number 6 only. Okay, number 6, which is Beaver Spirit. Lay a solid foundation. So that's the anchor card for today, laying solid foundation of your life. So what's the detailing card for this? Let me take out a detailing card, which is Dog Spirit. It came yesterday also. Dog Spirit means be loyal to what you love. It's about love today, so be loyal to what you love, and you can say I love you to people whom you love. And here comes the next card, which is Cow Spirit. How wonderful the card is. Cow Spirit is basically miracles are endless, so believe in the miracles. So let's take out Obstacle card, because it's Chandra Grahan. So what is the obstacle card, and which animal is trying to save us from there? Is this card, which is Armadillo Spirit. Set healthy boundaries. If it is about your relationship, set healthy boundaries. So what's the guidance card for today? So the guidance card for today is Sandpiper Spirit, which is be playful. It's all about music. Okay, and the final card for today, as per the spirit animal cards by Colin Red, is Squirrel card, which basically believe in yourself. So trust yourself. Let me revise. So the first card is Beaver Spirit. Lay a solid foundation of your love. Dog Spirit. Be loyal to what you love. Next is Cow Spirit. Miracles are endless in your love. Set healthy boundaries for your love and relationship. Be playful with your loved ones, and believe in yourself that what you are doing is absolutely right. So with that, let me take out 2 more cards from the crystal cards. Okay, one card fell, so I will take this card, which is Unikite crystal card. It basically answered prayer. All your great work has opened the door of divine help and support. Basically, whatever you have done, now the divine is helping you and giving back to you. So with that, the final card for today is that 5th of June 20 is Charolite. Charolite is spiritual protection. You are protected from the bad rays which are coming today due to moon lunar eclipse. You are being watched over and protected physically, emotionally, energetically by the angels around you and by Charolite crystal. So with that, I would end this live session. Let's keep it short and simple, because if it gets extended, it becomes boring and you don't want to spend too much time. So lunar eclipse, stay safe. And today, Shadashtak Yog will go 90% less. Rahu is going back, means the Shadashtak Yog which Rahu had created with the Guru is just, with Saturn is being broken. So now you will not hear much news about COVID 2019. There will be very less dates. And with the blessings of Sai Baba, I want to say, do you want to share? Do you want to share? If yes, come. Thank you so much. Good morning. Bless you.